This is 12th problem. Let us solve here. So what they have given, 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2, that told to the power of minus 3 to the power of 1 is equal to what? That is what we need to find out here. So we know that a to the power of m to the power of n whole to the power of mn. See, let us take a. So which we can rewrite a to the power of m n a, right, or mn. See, q you can take q, right. So which means, see, minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2, right. So then minus 3, right, then 1 to the power. So now multiply this. This is going to be reduced, minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2. So whole to the power of minus 3. That is minus 3 into 1. That is multiplied with 1. You are going to get this. So again simplify this. This is going to be minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2 into minus 3, which is nothing but minus 6. Right. So you need to multiply. Minus 6. So which is right. So now a to the power of m, a to the power of minus m can be rewritten as 1 by a to the power of m. Right. So similarly I'll write this 1 or otherwise. This is one rule, right, here. So this I can do like this. This is going to be minus 1 by, right, 3 to the power of minus 6, right, which is nothing but minus 3 to the power of 6, right, because it is a negative sign here, right, negative power. So now what happens, minus 3 to the power of 6 we got. What is 3 to the power of 6? Let me just check out here. Minus 3 multiplied with 3 6 times, that is 3. So multiply this. This is going to be 9. So 9 and 9. So 9 multiplied with 9, which is going to give us 81. That multiplied with 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. So 729 is the answer. Option A is the right one.